wanted to unbox this tomorrow, but I'm just way too excited. So I've had my eye on this brand for the longest time now, and I'm so excited that I finally got my hands on some of her products. This is from SpOIL'tique Beauty, and I'm so excited. So if you don't know already, Angelique from SpOIL'tique Beauty is such a hun. She's amazing, and please go follow her if you aren't already. All of her products are made with so much love and care, and I'm just so excited that I finally got my hands on some. So everything is handmade, and she uses lovely essential oils and natural beneficial ingredients. Oh wow. Okay, let me just tell you, I definitely didn't order all of this, so I'm so excited to see what all is in here. Okay, wait, just give me 1 second. Like, I didn't order all of this. Like, I ordered, like, I think I ordered a glow serum, I ordered some mist, I ordered a cloth, and I can't remember what else. I'm so excited. Okay, first of all is this, and I've been so excited about this. This is something that is raved about when it comes to her brand. This is the Coco Cabana Scent Mist, Scented Hair and Body Mist. And look how lovely she packages all of the bottles to ensure that it doesn't go everywhere. Fragrance, hair and body mist infused with natural organic oils, ingredients to hydrate your hair. Okay, if I read everything, I'm not going to be able to get all of this. That's everything I imagined and so much more, especially for the beach, summer. Love this, love this, love this, love this. And if you're not at the beach, this is just perfect because it will make you feel as though you're at the beach. Oh, and it's got this rich, deep, like vanilla. Like, love this. Okay. I'm too excited. Okay. Then the other thing I ordered was the glow serum. So this is the You Glow Girl Rose and Aloe Serum, Face Glow Serum. So wow, there is a massive breakdown at the back here, which is amazing. So I'll definitely go into this as well. Oh, I can smell it through the pump, like, I'm obsessed. Absolutely obsessed. And her prices, like, you would actually not even believe it. Like, it's insane. It's insane. Wow. There's just so much inside here. Like, I don't even know where to begin. Okay. Next up is this vitamin C and hydrating relax night serum spray. Wow. Okay, so I'm not going to be able to open everything. It's going to take too much time, but like I said, I'll go into depth in more videos, and I'm so excited to test this. Sorry, my hair's a mess, but yeah, like I said, I wasn't planning on doing this now, but I'm too excited. So there's this, which is awesome. This is a new product she's brought out. This is the Quick Color Switch. Instantly remove makeup color pigments from brushes. So when you're doing your makeup and you're going from one color to the next, you can literally just take your makeup brush, swatch it in here, and then it's clean to go into the next color. So love this. This is so initiative. Thank you. And this is the other thing I ordered. This is the Silk Hair Mask. So this was really affordably priced, so I'm so excited to try this as well, because my hair, as you can see, is in dire straits. So there's that. How cute is this not? This is a lash and brow oil, and there's little sweeties inside. Look at how beautiful this packaging is. Pink, everything's pink. Love that. And it comes with a little spoolie as well. And then I also ordered one of these Casey cloths. So I've been wanting one of these cloths for the longest time. It cleans your pores, rejuvenates your skin, erase all makeup and paint with water only. So this is amazing, especially if you don't necessarily want to go in with a cleanser or in the mornings and so on. So I'm really excited about this, and I cannot wait to try all of these products out. I'll tag Casey Cloths down below as well. SpOIL'tique is a stockist of them. They have a wide variety as well, which is amazing. So yes, this is my SpOIL'tique haul unboxing. I'm absolutely over the moon and so overly happy about these products, and I cannot wait to try them and give you my thoughts and feedback. And once again, thank you so very much for these products, Angelique. I'll tag her down below, and I'll tag SpOIL'tique Beauty and Casey Clothes. Please go give her a follow and support her business. Her prices are amazing, her products are beautiful and really reasonably priced, and her service is so fast. I ordered this just before Christmas, and now I literally received it today. So that is amazing. Thank you so very much, and go check her out. Bye.